So guys, hawak natin yung bagong Red Magic Astra 2. So we'll be setting this up from start to finish. And I'll walk you through every single step na kailangan nyo malaman, how to set it up properly. So let's get it started. So yan, simula, you can either go for English United States or UK, but okay na ako sa US, so start na tayo. So searching for Wi-Fi, kukonect mo lang sa Wi-Fi mo sa bahay. I'll connect mine, just need to key in my password. So yan, tumuloy na siya. So getting your tablet ready. So magkoconnect na siya sa Google. And probably the next thing is to set up your Google account. Since this is a global roam unit, hindi siya China roam. So by default, may Google to. So just, depende sa'yo, no? Pwede may copy, don't copy. Ako, since setup lang naman to, so don't copy. So tutuloy na siya. Yan. So key in your Google credentials. So after mo key in yung password, agree ka lang. Then get your account info. Pwede ka mag-set ng PIN o hindi. Skip muna tayo since di ko na makailangan. So you can allow everything. Just allow backup ka kung gusto mo. Pwede ka hindi rin mag-backup. Pero since it's going to be your main driver, just backup na lang. Agree ka lang dito. Ito is Gemini. Turn on mo lang. Magagamit mo yan. Okay. So wala naman ako kailangan i-review additional apps. Just get your tablet ready. Agree. Ito, this one. No. Private policy. Agree. Hanapin mo ng Philippines. PH. Okay, next. Turn on auto-download update package. Okay lang. So you can set your security. Pwede sa'yo. Gesture ako. Then, okay na tayo. Pretty much it, no? Very easy. Let's just simply check kung makapag-download ba siya. Okay. First order of things, Gboard. Kung ma-install naman niya, then, meron na siya by default. Okay. So, update lang natin. Depende sa bilis ng yung internet. There are times kasi medyo mabagal net sa bahay. So, it's a little bit slow, sluggish. Hindi naman lagi. Today it happens to be a bit slower than usual. So, yeah. Tapos na. Installing. Installed. Pasok lang tayo. Sa kalikotin lang natin si Gboard. Hanapin muna natin. So, naka-install siya pero by default. So, pwede ka mag-check ng kanyang preferences since hindi ako mahilig sa mga auto-auto na yan. Suggestion. I hate that. Yan. Okay. Then, turn it off. Depende sa'yo. Keyboard pop-up. Importante sa akin yan. Yan. So, most likely, yun yung mga settings lang. And you can check for new version, and this one happens to have a new version, so I'll be updating it lang. Ganun kasimple lang pang-install ng Red Magic OS 11.5 dito sa ating Astra 2. So kung if you find this helpful, give me a like, and of course subscribe sa aking channel para sa mga future na tutorials just like this one. So till then, I'll see you on my next one. Babush!